The ultimate thing that can help you to grow your business, and you don't need a Sachin Kamath for this. I'll tell you the secret. If you want to develop your confidence, if you want to develop your ability, if you want to be resourceful, if you want to be innovative, and if you want to network with more and more people, the one thing that is the most crucial for you today is your attitude. Correct me if I'm wrong, but your attitude decides your altitude. Before the lockdown, whatever was your attitude, you need to change. First thing is, start believing in yourself. You have got best time in your life to really understand yourself. And I'm sure you may have done a lot of introspection to know where you are today. This is a right time to set your vision. If you know where you are today, and if you get the clarity of your vision, the how will not be that difficult. I always tell people, when your why becomes clear, your how becomes easy. Even in this turbulent times, I'm sure if you have this clarity, you would be able to achieve the success that you are looking for. This could be the right time for you to take that leap. You got everything set now. The day everything starts coming back to normalcy, let's be practical. Immediately things will not change. It will take some time. But if you are prepared now, you would always be riding on that cycle of growth, and you would always be ahead of your competitors. And I'm sure you all would like to be there as a successful entrepreneurs. And I, Sachin Kamath, your business coach, can help you in your journey of success. I help entrepreneurs to transform their passion and productivity into business profitability. So I would want you to join my YouTube channel, or you can also attend my webinars and my Facebook lives, or if you want to connect with me, then I have given my link of my Telegram. Join that link and then we can connect. I'm sure you have learned so many things in this, and I would like you to implement it and also share this with others who can benefit, and then this can help you to become resourceful. So all the best and see you soon.